Hi everybody, it's time for you and Kimoti. 今とキモテの時間が参りました。Today we would like to provide you about the new ChatGPT service named GPT Canvas. Today is the second time to explain about it. で、今日は ChatGPT の新しいサービスでGPT Canvas というものをお話しします。で、先週はもう1回話をしたんですけども、今週は2回目ということです。今、are you ready to start?
Yes, Kimoto-san.
Okay, let's begin.
Thank you. Very good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our Yuva and Kimoto's weekly live session where we discuss the latest AI tactics. 皆さん、おはようございます。毎週日曜日のユバとキモティのライブセッションへようこそ。今日も最新の AI 技術ツールについてお話しします。Well, today we are continuing from last week's session with the new subtopic. Okay, I would like to. Okay, so before we dive into today's topic, let's quickly recap what we covered in part 1. Last time we actually explored how GPT Canvas helps with writing, including editing and content creation. 今日は先週の続きで新しいトピックに入ります。最初にパート1で何を話したかを振り返します。前回は GPT Canvas がライティング、編集やコンテンツの作成をどう助けるかを話しました。And today we are going to focus on how this GPT Canvas actually makes coding easier, like fixing bugs, translating code into different languages, and comparing this GPT Canvas with 3 other tools. 今日はコーディングのバグ修正やコードの翻訳、そして他のツールとの比較について紹介します。So one of the biggest challenges that developers face is managing large code bases, debugging, and ensuring that that code works across multiple languages, isn't it? So it can take a lot of time, right? But what if you could get help with reviewing, fixing, and even converting your code in just minutes? So that's exactly what this GPT Canvas does. I'm currently actually working on an AI project, and I found this GPT Canvas makes working solo much easier and even without team support. 開発者がよく直面するのは、大きいコードの管理やバグ修正、またはコードをたくさんの言語で動かすことです。これはとても時間がかかりますね。でも GPT Canvas を使うと、レビューや修正、翻訳がすぐにできるようになります。今、私は AI プロジェクトをやっていますが、このツールは GPT Canvas ツールは一人でも簡単に作業できると思っています。But even the current GPT model can help with this. But GPT Canvas, so we already have many GPT mods. Let me share this with you. I'm going to make a share on this. Okay, this one. So we already have many GPT models like this. GPT-4o, GPT-o1 Preview Mini, and then GPT-4. But this GPT Canvas actually brings some special features. So today, let's check them out. So we have 3 demos today. Now, 今の GPT モデルもできますが、GPT キャンバスは特別な機能があります。それを見てみましょう。今日は3つのデモンストレーションがあります。I would like to share another. When you share, just a moment. Okay, so let's get started. The first demonstration. Writing code, it is one thing, but making sure others or even the future us can understand it is another. So adding comments to your code, it is essential, especially in large projects, because now we can write. We might working on any projects, and then um, if we would like to look back at our code, then that code that we have wrote, so we should be able to understand using the comments, isn't it? So let me show you an example of how this GPT canvas can save time. Okay, here's a piece of code that without any comments, I'm going to ask this GPT canvas to add comments. コードを書くだけじゃなく、他の人も理解できるように、コメントを他の人も理解できるようにコメントを追加することは大切です。GPT Canvas はコメントを自動的に追加してくれます。はい。コードにコメントがないときに GPT Canvas でコメントを追加してみると、これをすぐにわかりやすい説明がつきます。Okay, let's check this. I'm going to add the code. No comments and no logs. Okay, so as you can see, it actually automatically explains what each part does. And now even if you return to this code months later, the comments will help you to understand this part quickly, isn't it? And plus, if you can select specific code lines and ask real-time questions. これで数ヶ月後にコードを見てもわかりやすくなります。また、特定の行を選んで質問することもできます。Okay, and then the second demonstration, let's move on to second demonstration. About fixing bugs. Okay, this is the code. Well, no one actually enjoy dealing with bugs, especially when it takes hours to figure out the issues. So in this demonstration, I have intentionally added a bug in a piece of Python code, and I'm not going to write anything else, just going to copy and paste the code here and let the GPT canvas handle it. Okay? バグの修正は時間がかかりますね。でも、GPT Canvas がすぐに見つけて修正してくれます。Okay. デモンストレーションは、コードにバグを入れるので、ペーストして GPT Canvas に処理させてみましょう。Okay, so this is the code, Python code, to send an email. Well, actually, GPT Canvas identifies the issues and provide a quick fix. So with this support, I feel like I actually can work as a solo freelancer without any issues. GPT Canvas はバグを見つけてすぐに修正してくれます。これがあれば、一人でもフリーランスとして簡単に働けると思います。 And then the next one, let's keep on moving to next. Okay, we have another, the third one. It is to change to other language. Okay, so sometimes we need to convert from one language, from one programming language to another programming language, isn't it? So, like switching from Python to JavaScript. So, instead of rewriting everything, we actually could ask GPT Canvas can do the conversion automatically. Let me show you. So, I would like to use the same code, this Python send email function, and then I'm going to ask this canvas, GPT canvas, to convert it to JavaScript. Okay? 時々、その Python のコードを JavaScript に翻訳しなければなりません。GPT Canvas はコードを自動的に翻訳してくれます。Is it 翻訳、木本さん Is it correct? Convert from Python to JavaScript は翻訳ですか？
Pardon?
今は私は説明する部分は、the GPT Canvas actually can convert the Python coding into JavaScript, can change ですね。それは日本語で、どうに言いますか？GPT Canvas は Python のコードを JavaScript に翻訳できます。
普通コンバージョンとか言うね。
コンバージョンですね。はい。日本語でもコンバージョンですか？ OK。だから、デモンストレーションは Python の関数を JavaScript にコンバート。はい。コンバートしてみましょう。OK, so let's go for this. Okay, so as you can see, quickly and accurately translates. It is converting the code while keeping the functionality intact. So this is super useful, I guess. Yeah. And let's check back to our previous code, the Python code. Oh, however, after fixing the Python code, I noticed it actually doesn't let me retrieve the original Python code after the conversion. So which can be inconvenient at times, but overall, I think it's a great feature. Yeah. はい。すぐに正確にコンバーションできるので便利ですね。でも、この機能は戻るとき少し不便なところもあります。今はJavaScript の新しいコードで言いますね。前の Python コードに戻るときは少し不便なところです。はい。木本さん、ここまでで大丈夫ですか？何かコメントがありますか？
大丈夫です。はい。
OK. Thank you. Then next, we're done with this. Then next we have okay, so now I'm going to show you how this GPT Canvas compares with other tools. So today I have selected Perplexity, Canva, Cloud AI, and Google Gemini. Okay, let's see how each handles fixing bugs. So I'm going to use the same demonstration that I have used, the same code, that fixing bug code. And I'm just going to copy and paste the same problem into all the three other tools. GPT Canvas が他のツールとどう違うかを見せます。今日はPerplexity, Cloud AI, Google Gemini と比較します。Let me share this window. Okay, let's check this out. I'm going to copy and paste the same code. This is Cloud AI, and this is Perplexity. And the next one is Gemini, Google Gemini. Okay, so I think Cloud AI did a great job by writing the full code with comments. So this is what most of us want, right? However, it doesn't provide the live coding suggestions, like where we actually could select the lines that we would like to ask any question. So, but GPT Canvas gives real-time feedback while you are writing and editing, which makes it better fit for developers who need quick improvements. Cloud AI は完全なコードを書いたが、ライブコーディングの提案はありません。GPT Canvas はリアルタイムのフィードバックがあります。And then the next, we have Perplexity. Wow, okay. Perplexity gave the correct solution, but it didn't offer the comments or details like GPT Canvas does. But with GPT Canvas, you actually get coding assistance and teamwork feature all in one. Perplexity は正しい回答をしましたが、コメントや詳細はありません。GPT Canvas はコーディングとティームワークの機能が一緒にあります。Next, let's move on to next one, the Google Gemini. Okay, this one actually focused on fixing the bugs, but it didn't add any comments or logs, and its lack of just a moment. Let me back to this. Okay, and I guess it's simple and effective, but lacks some of the added benefits of GPT Canvas. Google Gemini はバグ修正に焦点を当てています。でも、コメントやログは追加されませんでした。Well, GPT Canvas, it is still new, but it has great potential. And OpenAI actually plans to add more features like multi multi-language support, better coding tool integration, and version control like Git. As it evolves, it will become even more powerful and easier to use. So I recommend trying this GPT Canvas, and it significantly boosts your productivity whether you are writing coding or writing. GPT Canvas はまだ新しいですが、大きな可能性があります。OpenAI はマルチラングエッジサポートやコーディング機能を持ってよくして、バージョン管理を追加する予定です。これからもっと使いやすくなるので、ぜひ試してみてください。Well, I think that's all from my side for today. So, Kimota-san, do you have any comments or feedback before I close?
you are.
はい。
I think it's very amazing for me. ChatGPT Canvas could convert from Python to JavaScript.
Yep.
And adding the comments from the source code, that is a very good idea. コメントをつけたりするのはいいアイデアで、それから Python から JavaScript にコンバートするのは、なんか、すごいなと思いました。Okay.
Thank you, Kimoto-san. Okay, so I think that's all from my side today. And thank you all for joining today's session. And I hope you found it insightful and see you next Sunday as usual with another new latest AI topic. 本日のセッションにご参加いただきありがとうございました。役に立つ情報が得られてと思います。また来週の日曜日にお会いしましょう。よろしくお願いします。
See you, everybody. Thank you, Yuwa.
バイバイ。
Goodbye. See you next week.
はい、失礼します。